Carnival Cruise Line has just dropped big news. A brand new ship is on the way, and it promises the most family-friendly water park at sea. Hi, I'm Dr. D, and this is Cruise Simply News, where we bring you the latest updates from the cruise industry. If you love cruising, make sure to like and subscribe for more cruise tips, port guides, and ship news. The Carnival Festivale launches in 2027, bringing fresh energy, fun, and a little nostalgia with the return of one of Carnival's legendary names, and she'll be calling Port Canaveral her home. Carnival is reviving the name Festivale, one of its original fun ships from the 1970s. This new ship won't just be a nod to the past, it's being completely reimagined with today's modern amenities, entertainment, and dining while still keeping the spirit of Carnival's roots alive. Festival will set sail on May 2nd, 2027 from Southampton on a 15-day transatlantic cruise, visiting Spain, Madeira, and the Canary Islands before arriving at her new home in Port Canaveral on May 16th. Just a few days later, on May 19th, she'll begin her first voyages. 4-day trips to the Bahamas and Celebration Key, followed by year-round 6- and 8-day Caribbean cruises. On board, the ship is all about music, fun, and family. Studio 724 brings interactive, music-inspired entertainment to life. The festival deck feels like an outdoor music festival at sea with food, drinks, and live energy. Sunsation Point spans 3 decks of family fun, anchored by WaterWorks Ultra, the biggest and most family-friendly water park Carnival has ever built. With over 50 sailings already open for booking, Carnival Festivale is set to become a fan favorite starting in 2027. What excites you the most? The new water park, the music-inspired zones, or the return of a legendary name? Let me know in the comments. This is Dr. D with Cruise Simply News, your quick update on all things cruising. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, from me to you, have a great cruising day.